Want to make money while you sleep using AI? These 5 digital products are insanely easy to create, require zero experience, and people are already buying them in 2025. Want to start an online business, but don't know where to begin? These 5 AI-powered digital products are easy to create, sell on autopilot, and anyone can do it in 2025. AI-generated ebooks. Use tools like ChatGPT or Koala Writer to generate full ebooks. You can sell them on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or PayHip. Niches like self-help, productivity, and finance are hot sellers. Printable planners and journals. Use Canva plus AI prompt generators to create digital planners, affirmations, or gratitude journals. Upload to Etsy or Creative Fabrica. People love aesthetic printables. AI voice packs and audiobooks. With tools like 11 Labs, you can create professional AI voice recordings. Sell custom voice packs or convert ebooks into audiobooks for platforms like ACX or Voices.com. Digital art and wall prints. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate unique artwork and wall prints. You can sell these as high-res downloads on Redbubble, Zazzle, or Etsy. Notion templates. Create AI-assisted Notion templates for productivity, goal setting, or budgeting. Sell them on Gumroad or promote on Twitter or TikTok. Which one will you start with? Gaps 0.25. S. Drop 2025. Hustle in the comments if you want part 2. These products sell while you sleep, but thanks to AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more faceless income ideas.